What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Game Pass in Roblox. Please donate on your mobile, fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First what you need to do guys, just open Roblox app on your mobile and go in the lower right corner. You will see more, click on this and go here on create. After that go in the left corner and click on this, click create a hub and go on dashboard. You will see here your place, you will get free place from Roblox. Click on your place. After that go in left corner and scroll down to passes. Click on passes. And you will see I don't have pass, just click on create pass. Choose your image here like me, type your name, type name of the passes and your description here. After that scroll down and click create pass. And you see guys, we have successful create pass. When you create your pass, people can donate you Robux with your pass. But our pass is off sale. All what you need to do, just click on your pass and go in left corner and click this. And go here sales. And you will see here item for sale. Just turn it on, type your Robux. And you will see Roblox takes some cut. Click here save changes. Go in the left corner, click this and go on your pass. And you will see our pass is active. All what you need to do, just join to donate game. I show you now how. Okay guys, when you open Roblox on your mobile, just join on this game. This is our game. You can also here get some Robux and donate by your friends. I also leave you this game in description of video. Just click here play. I show you how to claim your boat in please donate. Okay guys, I'm now in our game. Just come to boat and claim this like me. Click on claim. And you see guys, we have our new game pass in Roblox. Just come here and claim your boat and you see guys, we have successfully created a game pass. And that's it all guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friends, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.